Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to create an account page that I'm not going to use in my application, although you definitely can in yours if you so desire. The reason I'm creating it is so that we can test if our authorization is working properly. And then we're going to write the same isLoggedIn middleware that we did previously and apply it in this application. So let's go ahead and create the account view and the route. I'm just going to put the route, I'm just going to put the route inside of main. So where's my route? Here we go. Inside of main, I'm going to add, come on, let me add it, there we go. Router.get/account request response res.render account. So save that, and inside of my views, I'm going to add a new view. So shut the server down, touch views/account.ejs. So in here, we are just going to include partials/header, duplicate footer. I'm just going to put an H1 that says account page here. Save. Start my server and make sure it works. Account. There we go. Account page here. Working fine. Perfect. Now we need to add that isLoggedIn middleware. And you could, again, just copy paste this from the other file if you so desire. I'm going to type it out so that I can make sure and kind of explain it again. Function, we're using a traditional function declaration because we're adding it after we're actually going to be calling it. Function is logged in, and it's going to take 3 arguments: request, response, and next. Oftentimes people forget the next. That's the #1 problem I see with middleware, is people forget to either add next here or to ever call it, and then their application just hangs forever. So we're going to check if they're authenticated. So if request.isAuthenticated, call is a function. That is a method that is added to request by passport, and it will always return either true or false based on if the user is authenticated. So if they're authenticated, if that's true, return next. Else res.redirect to /login. And technically speaking, we don't need this else because we're returning there and it'll break, so we could just do it that way if we so desired. I like the else just because it makes it a little bit more clear to me in reading the text. So there is our middleware, and now all we have to do is take it and add it up here, adding a comma for the account page. And we can add this to basically any page we want to require users to be logged in to do. So as of right now, it's just in the account page. I'm going to save to make sure that is updated, and then let's try and go to account. Let's refresh, and it's not going to let me. So if I go to account, nope, you can't do it. You got to log in first. Test, test. Now log in. It'll redirect me to comics, but now I can go to account, and it lets me right in. So that is how I know that that middleware is working. And now let's log out and try to go back to account. And it won't let me because now I'm logged out and I have to log back in. In this video, we added an account page, which is basically just a placeholder. We also created the isLoggedIn middleware, and we applied it to that account route. And then we tested it to make sure that it actually works like it's supposed to, and we saw that unless we're logged in, we're not able to access the account page. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.